To use the GoTo feature, first press Auto Sync to synchronize the telescope's date, time, and location. Then perform either a 1-star or 2-star alignment. This step allows the telescope to know its exact position in the night sky. Next, open the catalog in the app menu and choose a celestial object from one of the lists. Once you've selected an object, press Send to Telescope. The telescope will automatically slew toward the target. After the GoTo movement is complete, you can again control the telescope manually using the app joystick or the physical joystick on the base. To use the tracking feature, simply press the Start Tracking button. The telescope will begin automatically following its current position in the night sky. Before using tracking, make sure you've pressed Auto Sync and performed a 1-star or 2-star alignment. This ensures accurate movement across the sky. You can access the tracking button from the app or from the analog joystick screen. To stop tracking, just press the Stop Tracking button. If you leave the screen or close the app, tracking will stop automatically. However, if the Bluetooth connection drops, the telescope will continue tracking until the connection is restored.